Hello beautiful, today I'm sharing how I styled this heart-shaped swoop bang and bun using clip-in extension. I'm starting off with blown out hair. I also did a warm press as well to smooth out my roots. So guys, this has been my go-to summer style because it's cute, quick, and easy to do, and it'll keep you nice and cool through this summer heat. Parting off the heart-shaped bang is the most tedious part of this style, so I'm just taking my time and creating that shape that I like. And I'm making sure I do not part out too much hair from my bang because it's so easy to do that when you're focusing on the shape. So I'm going back and forth and I'm using the rat tail of the comb and the tip of the comb. My hair has been so dry in this summer heat, so I'm going in with some avocado oil. Y'all are probably thinking like, girl, this is too much to be trying to part out this heart, but it gives you that perfect swoop shape, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I come back to the bangs. Now to get my bun nice and sleek, I'm using the Cream of Nature Perfect Edge Control. So if you have 4C hair like me, you can't just use one type of brush. I'm going in with my Tangle Teaser, then I'm going in with my hard bristle brush. And continue to smooth and smooth and smooth. Next, I'm following up with this wax stick by Ebin in New York. Now that I have my ponytail placed, I'm using my Gots to Be Glue gel to smooth my edges and give me some extra hold. Lastly, I'm following up with the freeze spray and I'm using my blow dryer to set it. So I'm using Yuniffe's Yaki Straight Clip-ins, and I did do a video about these clip-ins a couple months back, and I'll link that video in the cards above. And these clip-ins are 16 inches long. So to create the ponytail, I'm just clipping that hair right onto my braid and just wrapping and clipping. I started off with a 4-clip weft, then I moved up to a 3-clip, then a 2-clip. Because this hair is so straight, I want to bump in some curls to prevent some of the flyaways and also help with the shaping of the bun. And look how easy it was to create that bun, following up with hairpins. And I just love the shape of the bun. It reminds me of a little croissant. Now for the bangs, I'm taking a 2-clip weft, and I actually cut this one in half. That way I have 2 pieces, and I did end up cutting the length of the hair as well. Now this is where I say the heart-shaped bang will really make a difference when creating that swoop, because it'll allow you to have a more layer effect when placing those clip-ins in, and I can nicely conceal the weft with minimal leave out. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have all products listed. Finishing up with curling the bangs. And this is the complete look. I have been enjoying this style. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below. I want to know if you are relaxed or if you're a natural girl. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.